Welcome back, everyone. We have this beautiful Larrivee guitar, cutaway guitar, that's been scalloped by Mark Atkinson of Oakville. John brought it to me because he wants to move that first string away from the edge of the fingerboard because the string seems to be slipping off for him when he plays. So this is our original saddle. I just traced that curvature off the original saddle. I'm sure Larrivee gets it right every time. Left it a little bit higher than it needs to be, so we got something to work with. So that now just kind of press fits in there. Okay, the moment of truth has arrived. String to string, fret to fret. Let's check this thing out. Here's our 12th fret 6th string and open. Here's our 7th fret 6th string and octave. Here's the A string 7th fret and octave. And then 12th fret and open. D string open, D string 12th fret, 7th fret, and octave. 3rd string 12th fret and open. 7th fret and octave. 2nd string and 12th fret, 7th fret, and octave. 1st string, 12th fret, 7th fret, and octave. So to wrap it up, this is our compensated saddle. This is the compensated nut. Well, John definitely got the full package on this one. This is a close-up of the compensated nut and its values. And then here is a look at the amazing scalloping job that Mark did. This is the 3rd guitar I've had in here from Mark. And boy, if you want a guitar scalloped, he's the guy to see. He's in Oakville, Ontario. Immaculate work. Congratulations, Mark. All of those intonation checks are done, but of course the real intonation check is to play the guitar, play some chords. Let's see what that sounds like. Yeah, so this is the ultimate test. And for my regular subscribers that follow this channel, you've heard me play these chords a few times. I like to take a chord. In this case, we've got a E major 9 chord, E major 7 chord, and play variations and inversions along the entire span of the neck to give you a sense of how the guitar is equalized along the entire length of the fingerboard. Okay, so here we go. Here's an A minor 9. Here's your garden variety D chord that's never in tune. 5th position. 10th position, 14th position, A major, here's a B minor 9. about wraps it up for this absolutely gorgeous Larrivee cutaway. Always been a huge fan of Larrivee. It's very important to understand that the fact that I did this to this guitar, it does not reflect in any way the excellent standards that Larrivee has always had. This compensation at the bridge and at the nut, they're both moving targets. There isn't one nut and one bridge that will work for every case scenario. So the manufacturers can't be expected to be able to have every guitar intonated to this degree of accuracy. It's virtually impossible. You change to a different set of strings, you change your tuning, all of this stuff goes out the window. So this, John's on his way back from Nashville, he'll pick this up on the way through the window. So this guitar is intonated within an inch of its life for concert pitch and those John Pierce 11 to 50 strings. And as long as those strings and that tuning are used on this guitar, he'll never even reach for the tuners. Cheers.